There she is. There's Puddin. All right, you may see the new badging that I just got in from eBay. It's used. Paid $20 for those. This brake has the, why in the world did I do that? Come on, Wheeler. Last episode, Puddin got brake-ish. You probably seen us take a few of the church members for a ride. They did not like it. I had adjusted the carburetor down while the choke was on like an idioto. And because of that, the truck kept cutting off. We've got that readjusted. Yesterday I did not record this, but I put new spark plug wires, rotary button, distributor cap, got all that on it. We'll raise the hood in just a minute and show you that. But I'm telling you what, this girl's running good. She's still stopping sorta, not really all that good. I'll explain what I've done and probably what I need to do to the brakes. In just a minute, I'll explain what we plan on doing in this episode, and we'll see if it'll happen. I'm gonna buy a brake booster to replace this one. I really don't think it's working all that well, and I'm gonna go around and put new shoes all the way around it. So today's video, Puddin is not only, you know, hopefully gonna look a little better, but now it has changed that we're actually going to put brake shoes all the way around. So I said in one of the last videos that Puddin got shoes. Now she is getting shoes, but now these are brake shoes. She's gonna run fast, but she's gotta be able to stop equally as well. So that's the plan right now. So oh boy, my old bucket's gonna break. All right, folks, on these, all I'm gonna do is take the wheel off, but this brake has the, why in the world did I do that? Come on, Wheeler. All right. All right, well, I'm gonna loosen them up first. By doing this. No, I ain't. Loosen them up by doing this. Oh my God. The heavens am I doing? These suckers got tight now. I am telling you what, they got tight. That one's loose. There's one. There's another one. Whew, boy. That'll curl your hair. Here we go. Got a little more horsepower. Got to get a little more. Oh boy, I'm moving the stinking truck. That's horsepower, baby. There we go. There we go. Woo! Them impact wrenches. I thought I could get it off since I just loosened them up. Oh, goodness almighty. It's hard. This bucket was left outside, and I think I lost all of its plasticity because it's busting all to pieces under this 220 pounds. Whew. Need to go get my gloves. I don't want to. Y'all know any good jokes? Y'all know which state has the smallest Coca-Colas? Minnesota. Y'all know what a ninja orders when he goes to Burger King, a Whopper. I won't charge y'all anything for that. Two guys walk into a bar and the third one ducked. Get on off there. That's right. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all some advice. Put your tools back where you got them from. Because if you don't, you'll lose them. Don't ask me why I know that. These front wheels, have wheel bearings inside of here. So you got to get the drums off, you got to take the wheel bearings out. Good Lord, old bucket's getting smaller and smaller. Oh boy. All right, let's go here. Bend that old key out. All right. Let's go. Bend it on. All right. First on these, you got to get your key out. You don't want to come out until you force her out. So I put that there. One of the things I do, if you get a good bag, and I don't have one, you can use it to dump everything in so they don't get dirty. And then there's, you gotta get this off. And some people only put about a few horsepower in it. I drop mine down. I mean, I put it in 4 low and tighten these boogers down and then come off just a little yeehaw. Not much, but you want your bearings good and snug. That. All right, now when I pull this, the old bearing's gonna come out, you see? The old bearing came out just a little bit. So you reach in there, you got a nut, and then you got a bearing. Come on, baby. Don't make me look bad. All right, there she is. And I just reach in there with an old plastic bag and grab the bearing. Bearing there. Pull it right off. There she is. Old brakes don't look bad. Boy, they had all kind of boogered up stuff on it. That's got oil on it. That ain't good. So another thing I do is when I'm working on brakes, and I'm going to replace these brakes, I want to make sure everything goes back exactly like it is. So what I do is I pull out the old camera and I snap a few pictures. Up high and down low, pull back, snap my pictures. Because what I want to do is I want to get these rascals, making sure I didn't break my phone. I want to get these rascals put back in exactly like they are. But I want to put them in with my new brakes. So I'm going to clean this as well as possible. I'm going to get all this off. To be honest with you, this really doesn't look bad other than that part not being connected. But I'm going to get all this going, and when I get it all back together, you'll be able to see what it looks like. I'm going to give you a close-up now. All right, y'all, look at there. Look at them old ugly. That's what it looks like. See all that and all that? That's where them rascals have been moving and not been cleaning off all that good. I got to get all that out of there. I don't think the brakes look all that bad, but I'm still going to replace them. I waited for the old man to get here to confirm my idea was correct. And now he's going to confirm if they're tight enough And I'm gonna fix the Carter key, and doggone if it ain't started raining. So that's what we're doing now. All right, old man, come tell me. That's tight enough. Yep.
Not really.
Tight enough for me. Right, I'm not 100% positive what was recorded on the front. I did finally get the front two brakes with new drums. I've come to find out that my booster is not good. I have a booster that's on order. It's a couple days from when I worked on the front brakes. We had rain come through and I hadn't had opportunity to get back on it. So I'm gonna replace the back two shoes. Got a new wheel cylinder here, so I've got to remove this old wheel cylinder. I've sprayed the back, but I have not loosened it. So if I look a little crazy trying to get these off, it's because they're tight. I look a little crazy trying to get these off. Usually because I can't help it. All right, that is loose. One, get the other. All right, she's loose. All right, now get the 3/8, get the brake line off, pull this off, put a new one on, get it installed. So I'll do that right now. I'm probably not going to record myself putting these back together, and the reason is it's hard, and I don't want you to see me get embarrassed by how difficult it is to put these all back on. These springs are tight. You got to make sure everything's right. I have to sometimes talk to it to make it work the way that it's supposed to. So hopefully the next time that you come back, you will actually get to see all of this hooked back up. I hope. 4 hours and 78 minutes later, 5 hours and 18 minutes later, really not that long. But I put the truck in neutral. Wanted to be able to turn it and see. Got the new shoes on, got the new wheel cylinder on. It is not bled yet. I'll do that whenever we get the other side on as well. But what I like to do, Daddy Wheeler taught me, make sure you get the brakes adjusted before you put this on, so that when it turns, it has a little bit of resistance. Of course, when you hit the brakes and everything gets done, you want it to be tight. You want the brakes to stop. So I got this done. Of course, ow, when I put that on, it still turns, but not super easy. So then I'm going to bolt the wheel on, lower it down, go to the other side. This side's complete. All right, y'all, got that wheel cylinder on. Travesty is I spilt my drink. That's Mountain Dew that's flowed down to there. But here's the kicker. I went and looked for my rags, my old shop rags like that, to kind of clean my hands off. And look, I'm walking all the way down the driveway. And I don't know if you can see that, but way down at the bottom of my driveway is my shop towels. Look at them rascals. Them jokers traveled more than Puddin has. Didn't have no brakes on it though. It rolled right on down, all the way down my driveway to right here. Get your selves back up here. I mean, to tell you, there's no reason at all I'm sweating and dirty and look like I'm tired. I mean, no reason at all. No reason. All right, y'all, my sweet, lovely assistant is out here. Nikki T, what you gonna do?
Help bleed the brakes again, right?
You ever done that?
Yes.
How many times in the last week?
Bunch.
All right, we're gonna bleed them one more time. Don't do that until I get under, got the bleeder valve out. Love you. All right, it's a new day in my world. I don't know about you if this is the same video or a new video, but here we are back at it again. Puddin has manual brakes at this time because I uninstalled the old brake booster. She had a lot of problems. You still see all that. She had a lot of problems, had a lot of fluid down in here. It was just really bad shape. So time to replace it. So go to O'Reilly's and get this, purchase this. I got it, cool, right? But look at here, do you see a difference? This and this are different. So this is one, I don't know if it was an original, sort of original. I see it was remanufactured, but it had this piece on it. And hold on one second. Hey, Lester. All right, so this has this, and this had this system. It says, well, hey, it should be something unscrews on your brake pedal, but I had to let them know, no, this and this is completely different. So it's not gonna work. So let's go inside, and I'm gonna show you my plan of what I'm trying to do. All right, I wanna let you know there are many of you that are probably gonna say, well, why didn't you just purchase a part that screws in there? Why didn't you just do that? Well, I did. This is the part that I purchased. I got it off eBay. I love eBay. I sell on eBay. I make a lot of money on eBay, and I enjoy eBay, so I got it off eBay. Well, this does not fit the piece that I have. So what did I do? I have this piece, which is just a coupling. Coupling just like this. This is, let's see, what is this? This is 3/8 by 24. This is 3/8 by 24. But I needed to do two sizes. I needed to do 7/16 by 20 in here, but I don't have it. So what I'm having to do is I drilled, I don't know if you can see down in there, I drilled this out so that I can tap it with this, and if I get it tapped with this, then I will be able to screw this in. This will go cut the head off. This will screw into the new carburetor, or the new piece on the brake booster, and then this will go to my brake pedal, which will be on the other side. That's the plan. Let's see if I can make it happen. I had to become a machinist today. Let's see if I can look here. As I told you, here's the old one. The old shaft hooks to the brake pedal, brake booster. So I had to measure from the base here, which is the consistent, the one that I know is right. So I had to measure from the base to the top of this, where the bolt goes through on the brake pedal, and make sure I had the same distance. Now remember, all right, here's try number one. All right. Let's see. The holes line up. Yeah, baby. Up. Yes, they do. Woo. My brake booster is installed. Master cylinder is installed. I don't know if I have to do any adjustment on it. I got the vacuum hose installed. I'm gonna get everything hooked back up, get all my tools off of it, and I'm gonna test on these brakes. Y'all pray for me. I really hope it works. All right, y'all, one adjustment on the old new brake booster and Ole Puddin will stop. I mean, stops like a champ. I'm talking about I could squall tires going up and lock them down going out. All right, y'all, here's Puddin's first ride. Puddin's going to get some gas. I got a bill of sale. We're gonna see what Ole Puddin can do. Get through the gears, Puddin. All right, Puddin done shifted. All right, Puddin is shifted all the way into gear. Look at old Puddin. There you go. I don't know if it's a 3-speed or a 4-speed. Boy, them brakes work so good. Woo! Deuces, and may God bless.